Welcome to the Magnetic Muse, the podcast for high-achieving women who have mastered success but are ready to master surrender. This is where ambition meets embodiment, where power softens without shrinking, where you stop performing femininity and start embodying it. I'm your host, Jessica Ann, feminine embodiment leader, identity architect, and archetypal integration specialist. I created this podcast because I was the woman who could build anything except the love I actually desired. I lived in distorted masculine templates, productivity, performance, overfunctioning, independence as armor, and underneath it all, a nervous system wired for survival, a deep distrust of the masculine, and a belief that devotion had to be earned. The Magnetic Muse exists to dismantle that conditioning. On this podcast, we explore feminine energetics, identity architecture, archetypal psychology, relational polarity, and nervous system recalibration. You'll learn why high-achieving women overfunction in love, how survival conditioning disguises itself as strength, why almost relationships aren't bad luck, they're patterned identity, how to shift from force into flow, how to integrate your inner huntress, maiden, lover, and queen, and how to embody sovereign, feminine authority without abandoning your ambition. This isn't about getting the man, it's about recalibrating who you are so devotion meets you naturally. New episodes dropped weekly. If you're ready to soften without losing your power, to receive without performing, to be chosen without proving, hit subscribe now and share this trailer with the woman in your life who has everything except the love that matches her. This is the Magnetic Muse. Welcome home.